All those shimmies, hip accents, hip locks, chest lifts, arms work. You really need to work that body to get this nice belly dance effect. But is the dance training enough to get a satisfactory result? Of course it is. Well, yes and no. And why? Everything depends on what will bring satisfaction to you. If belly dance is only your hobby to pass the time once a week, then there is nothing more you need to add. But if you want something more serious, if you want to perform and feel more confident, then I've got for you 5 life-changing exercises you need to add to your training routine right away. Oh, don't get me fooled. No exercise will change my life. After watching this video, I will still have to go to work, do the dishes, drive in traffic jams. Well, duh, but your dance will be better, your audience will be stunned, and you will finally feel that power on stage. So, are you in or not? Okay, let's do it. The exercise I'll show you are just an example. You can search for something more suitable for you. What is important are the areas you have to work on, and those are core strengthening, chest mobility, calf strengthening, glute strengthening, and overall stretching. Core strengthening is vital because strong and flexible core underpins almost everything you do, also in your mundane life. It's responsible, among others, for bending, turning to look behind you, reaching overhead, twisting, powering up almost all of your dance moves, good balance and stability, and also good posture. For all of these goodies, try out a simple plank. Do it a couple of times, staying in plank position for a couple of seconds. Remember to place your elbows right beneath your arms, keep a straight line in your body, tense your muscles, especially your abs, and don't forget to breathe. Proper chest mobility works miracles for the lower back pain reduction. It also helps us with all the upper body flow. It opens our posture in the chest area, and it also improves our arm work and overall range of motion. For chest mobility, do this simple exercise. Stay on your knees and turn your feet outwards to stabilize the pelvis. One hand is on the floor, the other one goes to the back of your head. Now rotate as much as you can using your upper body. Your eyes should chase your elbow. Repeat it several times for both sides. Calf strengthening is not only about slim calves. A strong calf means protection of joints, less likelihood of injuries, better stabilization of your feet and ankle, and better performance of the entire lower body. That means more beautiful leg work, arabesque, turns, and so much more. All that magic can be done by simple calf raises. You can do a whole variety of them. Just remember to keep a good posture, tight core, stand straight. Then you go up on your toes, hold for 1 to 2 seconds, and come back. Glute strengthening, once again, is not only about aesthetics. Keeping this part of your body in a good shape helps prevent injuries, improves your posture and balance, and gives your hips a lot of power, not only for accents, but also for twisting and quick changes in direction. To achieve this and a lot more, try a simple bridge exercise. You lay down on your back, put your feet relatively close to your glutes, then you lift your hips and squeeze your glutes on the top. Then you open your legs and come back. Remember to keep a tight core as always. The benefits of stretching, I don't think I have to convince you here, but just in case. Stretching improves your flexibility, which in turn decreases risk of injuries, improves your physical performance, helps your joints to move through their full range of motion, and enables your muscles to work more effectively. In other words, thanks to stretching, you will dance bigger, better, and more powerful. Here you can choose from a whole variety of stretches. There are plenty of videos on YouTube or other platforms. Just remember to work in a symmetric manner and be consistent. Stretching 2 times a week can really make a difference. Okay, so these were my 5 top areas to work on. And definitely check out this video for more life-changing tips on improving your dance, not only exercise but other things you can work on and of which you may not be aware. And let me know in the comments down below if you work out regularly or not so regularly or not at all. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!